Hey everyone, good morning, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. Here's Jason YK. All right, today again, I would like to do the top down of what you guys should be expecting for this week. I'm so sorry, I should have dropped this video yesterday, but I've been very busy. I've been on transit. So today is the 31st of March 2025. So officially, the monthly candle is going to be closing today, and the month is going to be ending today. So, and what next? So what we're going to be expecting from the market, from the US30 for the whole of this week, or let me say for the whole of for April now, because we're going to be starting a new month tomorrow. So we're expecting a new month candle to be open tomorrow, you know. So without wasting much of your time, I would just like to take you guys straight to my screen and then let you know what you should expect. Guys, just like I always tell you, keep it very simple. Always take it very simple. Don't force the market. Don't stress yourself. You don't need to, do too much. Keep it simple. Last week, if you check out what we did last week, it was so amazing. I'm going to show you guys. Let me just take you to my screen, not to waste our time. Starting with what we did last week, the outlook for last week, you will see that this was what we analyzed for last week. This was what we analyzed for last week. This exactly was what we analyzed for last week. If you miss it, you can go over my channel and watch the video again. This was our analysis for last week. And then let's see. I'm trying to change it to 4 hours. Just a minute. Yeah. Yeah, perfect now. Perfect. This was our setup for last week. The market was around here that last week. And it was this, it gap up here. The market gap up here. And what happened? Took us straight to our destination, which was here. Took us straight to our TP, which was 500 and let's say 550 pips. If you missed that video, go over it again. And I said I would love it for the market, the setup to come and touch a particular bearish trend line, which then we add a drop from here. You can see I told all my mentees the market was going to drop from here. Go and watch the video on my channel as well. So, and then the drop that we had so far from last week till now is 1,400 pips. This thing is not magic, it's just a game of psychology. And I've already mastered the craft and I know the workings of US30 now. I can really, I'll be starting it from the monthly, and then we take it down to how we do it. So firstly, I'm going to be erasing all this I have on my chart. I'm going to be erasing all this I have on my chart. Let me remove all. So now if you look at it, for the whole of March, for the whole of this month, this is monthly candle. This is my monthly candle. If you observe the market now on my screen, you will observe that for the whole of March, the market has been so bearish, which was this. So definitely we've had a drop of 3,400 pips this month of March alone. Just imagine I'm a swing trader and I place sales on top. 3,000 pips. Wow. 3,400. If I'm using one standard lot for a volatile broker, I would have made $30,400. Yeah, taking it further. What we do here is not magic. It's just when you take your time to master the craft, you're going to really enjoy it. Just like I always say. So what we do is, let's just mark out the key level. If you observe, you see that this key level that has been failing to break for the past 6 months got broken here, this month of March. So now I'm done with my monthly. I take it straight down to the weekly. I take it straight down to the weekly. If you observe, you will see that last week too, the market was so bearish. Now, how can we make use of these charts? And mind you, another new month candle is going to be opening today. I mean, tomorrow, rather. Today is Monday. The market is officially open. So let's just bring out the trend line and see how many touches we can have. I'm going to make this one bold, very bold, safe, very, very bold. So this is my weekly. And on the weekly, if you see, you will observe that the market here, we add our first touch here. We add our first touch here. We add our second touch here. We add our second touch here. We add our third touch here. Our third touch here. So definitely we are still expecting the market to come and give us another touch around here. We don't predict, we analyze based on what we see on the chart. That's what we do here. We analyze based on what we see on the chart. If you consider it very well, you will see that so we're expecting this on the weekly. Now let's just take it over to the daily, Okay, let me explain something on the monthly again. If you see now, for the monthly candle, today, the match is going to be ending today. So definitely, I'm expecting another candle to open below this area tomorrow. Below this area tomorrow. That is, physically, just mere looking at it, the month of April should be bearish as well by dropping it down to this trend line. Just overall check before we move forward. So now moving over to the daily, let's see the daily. Yeah, this is the daily. Now I'm taking it down to the daily right now, which is where I'm going to be doing some stuff now. So let's just see what we can do on the daily. On the daily. If you look at the daily candle, you will see that this place got broken. This place got broken. That trend line got broken. This trend line got broken. And then let's see if we can mark out some key levels. So this is not necessary again because we are out of it. So let's see what we can mark out on the daily. Everybody knows how I get key levels and all that. So it's not new to us again. So let me place it here. So this is an important key levels also where we're expecting the market to react. So on the daily, Friday was so bearish, so very, very bearish, so very bearish. Now, if we use our Fibonacci, if you make use of Fibonacci from here to here, you will see that this is even 50 fib level. That is, the market should get here. At worst, it should get here. It has gotten to 38, went back up. That was where the retracement occurred, and then we are having the drop again. So this drop now, I'm expecting it to take it down to 50% fib level. Now, on a bearish level now, how do we get our entry? I'm still going to take it over to the 4 hours. From here to here, the market retrace. The market retrace from here and retrace up to 50% fib level, before this drop. So the next thing should get to 0 or this place, So that is it. Just merely looking at it. Now, let's have a bearish trend line here, so that we can know how to get another entry. Okay, let me take it down to the 4 hours. Let me just take it down to the 4 hours. That's where we're going to be ending it, you know. And these 4 hours, I would like to make it 2, a little tick. Yeah. So now, it is very clear now. And now that we know that the market, we are not predicting, you know, we are reacting to what the market is saying. And mind you, the volatility might not be so volatile today, tomorrow, because of the Eid holiday. You know, I wish all my brothers and sisters, all the Muslim brothers and sisters, happy Eid. Yeah, happy Eid Mubarak. Yeah. So now we had a mini trend line here last week, which got broken as well, and this drop. So now, how do we utilize this particular trade in order to get our entry again? Let's just take out our Fibonacci from here. We add 61. So let's just bring out our Fibonacci here. From here now, we have this. The market is open. Trust me, the market is open and we are still seeing all this little stuff. So the volatility might not be so strong. So I might not be trading live this week. I might not be trading live this week. So now I'm expecting a retracement based on this Fib level, Fibonacci that we draw. I'm expecting some things around here. So what I'll be expecting from the market is overall a bearish market, you know, whereby from where the market is now, I'm expecting a pushback up here. Give me something like this. And even go further and touch this trend line. And then what? Take me here. Something like this. Break like this. Retracement. Take us here. This is our golden level where we are expecting the market to get to. Take it or leave it. I'm going to write it down as golden level. Golden level. And mind you, something can happen again. The market can decide to do something like this. Give us like this. Give us like this. Break out here. Give us like this and drop it down. Overall, it's a bearish. Dropping down to here. So that is to say we are expecting how many pips from the market. So now, officially, I'm expecting a drop of at least how many pips this week? At least over 2,400 pips. Let's just say 2,400 pips more to drop, you know, from this market. So please, guys, now that you have this idea, the whole idea of my weekly outlook is just for you guys to cross-check it with, because I've been telling you guys to always backtest the market, right? So the whole idea of me dropping weekly outlook for you guys is to cross-check it with your idea or with your top down that you've done already, so that you will know maybe you are right or you're doing the wrong thing, you know. So that you will know maybe you are right or you have been doing the wrong thing. That's the whole idea of the weekly outlook that I used to drop for you guys. So please, what I'll just tell you guys, just like I said before, is if you know that this market is something you want to take serious, you need to always be ready and you need to take it very, very serious. And always remember this, what I used to tell you guys, keep it very, very simple. Always keep it simple and be ready, you know, because this market, you know, Forex is a game of psychology. So before you enter a trade, you must be psychologically sound. I mean, psychologically sound, very, very sound psychologically before you can take a trade. So if the market is convincing you, buy, sell, just leave it. Don't stress yourself at all. Just leave that kind of market. There's always opportunity on the market. You might not trade for a whole week, but the US30 that we are trading with our strategy and everything we do, we trade every day, but there is no way in a week that you will not see two sure and solid, I repeat, two sure and solid setup that you will know that this setup is 95% sure it will buy or it will drop. Just like if the market drop down to that, our golden zone, oh my goodness. The way the market will move up, it will be as if something is running after the market, you know. And if that trend line should go broken also, geez, The way the market will start dropping, it will be like water. All right, guys. So I don't want this video to be too long, just like I said before. So this is where I'm going to be ending it today. Just remember what I used to tell you guys. Do not force the market. Always keep it very simple. Don't stress yourself. Don't force the market. Keep it simple. Till I come your way again, this is Jason YK signing out. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying this video, because yesterday when I didn't drop video, I've seen a lot of comments, but you guys are not, I've seen a lot of messages, but you guys are not commenting, you're not liking. So what's the encouragement that you guys are giving me that, yeah, it's only few people that are clicking on like, it's only few people that are commenting, Some of you will even watch the video and not subscribe. Come on, encourage this nigga, man. I'm trying my best just to give back to the community for free. It's not necessary that you guys pay for my mentorship. If you can't afford my mentorship, you can always learn on my YouTube for free. If you're not my Telegram channel, on free Telegram channel, you are missing. Trust me, you are missing a lot. I won't say more than that. Disclaimer again, I don't do account management. I don't do account management. I don't manage funds for people. I don't manage fund for people. If anybody is chatting you claiming to be Jason YK, please don't fall for it. Before you join any of my program, make sure you hear my voice. I'm going to call you personally on the call. I'm going to place a call across to you. You will hear my voice. Then I'll give you instruction on what you need to do. All right, guys. So till I come your way again, this is Jason YK signing out. Peace. Bye.